Hello. We'll be talking to the microphone. I don't know. Ew, he peed on my ass! Hello. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're not playing any games. We're not looking at any videos. We're talking with Bean. Bean's here. Oh, okay. Bean just on my shoulder. Um, so, so today, I thought I'd talk about the future for 2020. So, there's a few things to talk about. None of it's like a drastic change that's gonna happen. It's just, I don't know, I thought I'd talk about what's gonna happen this year. So let's just talk about this quickly. There's a drastic change in the type of content since Christmas. And kind of regular posting, which is something that I want to get better at. I've never been good at keeping a regular posting schedule, so I'm gonna try and post more. More than I did this year, which was a lot. I did post a lot in 2019, but I don't think it was enough. So I'm gonna try and post like at least. I wanted to do daily, but I don't think I can, cause in the summer especially, I'm just really busy at my cottage, and school starts on the 6th. School starts back up. School's already started. But yeah. Setup wise, I'm not planning on changing anything with the setup. I like it. I like having the lights in the background. Bean, don't bite that. um, I like having the lighting in the background. I always do blue for my lighting. I'll show you all the colors though. So you guys, if you feel like it, comment down below what color you'd like me to do. There's a lot of colors like red. The main colors are red, green, blue, and white. White's pretty bright, but I like blue because it fits my channel and it looks like a nice background. So yeah. Another thing is, if you've watched Will's video where I'm in it, or like any videos kind of recently, I've been making jokes. They've all been jokes saying that being stupid with Kooky William is over. I'm just making jokes with it. It's not over. We never really ended it. I was just making fun of it because if we go on this, the last one was posted November 17th. That's a while ago. So that's why I've been saying that it's over. It's not. We're just taking a little bit of a break. We just haven't had the time to record it yet. Um, I don't know though. He is coming over on Friday, so maybe we'll record one soon. I don't know though. It's not over though. What is over though is is what is it called? It didn't have a name, did it? My no name series. Uh, it's over. I kind of got bored of it, and I didn't post for that for like 3, 4 months. It was in the summer, I think, that I last. No, I posted in September. So yeah, that series I just deleted. I got bored of it. Wasn't having fun, so ended it. But there is a new series that is basically Bean, get off the keyboard. um, it's basically taken over for it. I'll show you it. The Uncharted series is basically going to take its place. Because it's a solo series, it might be on a different game. I'm planning on making a Minecraft series for Java, but I don't know when that would come. Hopefully soon. Oh God, Bean. Let's talk about Bean. Bean's on to his 2nd year of life. So Bean's birthday is July 14th. Well, we don't actually know her actual birthday. We just got her on July 14th. So, what are you doing? Yeah, that's exciting. Hamsters aren't supposed to live that long, but she's lived a good life so far. Sounds like she's dying. I don't think she's dying. She seems fine, but Yeah, she's probably only got like a year left. I'd say maybe less. This might be her last year, which is sad. But hamsters don't live that long. When I got her, I already knew that was gonna happen, and then I'd get. I didn't know I was gonna get that attached to her though. It's gonna be sad. Um, yeah, she's probably got a bit. She's got a bit longer though. She's not old. You can tell she's not old because she's still got so much life in her that it's making me think she might live the max for hamsters, which is 3 years. So she's still got another 2, which, yeah. The longest living. What's that? Can we beat the record? Please. Hold on, one sec. Wait. Longest living. Yeah. Oh, I was doing that. Oh, yeah. Being turned cap locks on. Longest living 4 years, 11 months, 3 weeks. That's so close to 5 years. Oh. Oh, the oldest hamster lived for 7 years. A dwarf lab mouse, the southwestern, lived for 4. Okay, so 7 years. That's long. That was literally like an 100-year-old human. Like Bean's probably already 50 in hamster years. Anything else to talk about? Oh, um, vlogging channel. Let's talk about that. Oh my God, Bean, just stay with me, please. um, so here it is, John Gammon. It was NJD Fun for a while, but I changed the name to John Gammon because it's kind of like real life me, and that's my real name. So yeah, if you want to go subscribe to this, you can. 13 subscribers. I wanted to do Vlogmas because we found my old channel I did Vlogmas, but failed it miserably. Like, so bad. I got 1 episode, and it was horrible. So, yeah. I still post on this a bit. Last time I posted a day ago. It was called The End of the Decade, and it was basically a joke video. Me getting, like, overly dramatic over, the end of the decade like it was the worst decade ever, and I'm so happy for it to be over. And then said all the bad things that happened. They were stupid things. Like one was I fell over while skating. So yeah. But if you do want to see my full room, here's a room tour. Um, so hold on, it's hard to do multitasking. I'm holding Bean right now. If I don't hold Bean, then she'll go insane. So yeah, it shows around the room quite well. Like, yeah, here it is. Okay. So yeah, that's cool. Um, I think I'm gonna do a series in the summer. It's not gonna be like a daily thing, but I'm gonna try and post a lot on this channel in the summer. At my cottage, just anywhere I go, really. Maybe I'll do a few episodes. I've only done one video at my cottage, which was not what I wanted to do this year. I wanted to do a lot. And I didn't. I only posted one, and it wasn't even really. Actually, I did not only just. I posted like 3. Hold on, yeah. Okay. How to make homemade slushy. That was the first episode of a series that's a fake series, but me and Will might do a second episode to it because it was funny. It's called Cooking with NJD. Um, make a homemade slushy. Stop. So we got food review, really bad tour. Oh, so 2. No. Go back a bit more. Here they are. Yeah, the beach and fun car ride. Those are well, the car ride is well, I'm going to my cottage. Dumb stuff at the park. I didn't know that was a thing. Holy, Bean almost fell. Okay, Bean, go run around for a bit. I don't even care anymore. Huh? Not on my keyboard though. So yeah, I like that channel. This was a vlogging channel for a while, but I knew that I'd much rather do gaming on this channel. So yeah. Um, yeah, I think that's really it. Oh, I go to Fleetway again this year. I'm pretty sure. I might. I didn't go last year, which is weird because I go every year. But like it was 2018 that I actually did 2 videos that got kind of popular. So yeah, we're going. Holy, that is loud. We're going to back to that place again. I don't think it'd be Ryan coming this time though. I think it'd be Will. Um, I don't know though. Depends. Yeah. We're getting stupidly close to 100 subscribers. 85. That's another thing. Exciting. I'm excited to get. Well, actually, I'm kind of not. I have to do Just Dance again. So yeah. Let's. Okay. Being stupid with Cookie Williams not over. The single player series is. I'll still be playing on PS4 even though it's changed a bit. I still will be doing PS4, just no face cam on that. Elite Shark, go subscribe to Cookie William, Cookie NJD right here. Elite Shark is a new channel. Well, it's not that new anymore. We've only posted 1 video though. Cookie NGD is me and Will's collab channel right here. We haven't posted in 2 months though, and we took a mild break. So yeah, that's all I think. Fleetway might be coming back. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of boring, but I thought I'd just get some things out of the way for what's happening in 2020 because it's a new year. Happy New Year. Hope you guys have a good year. Had a good time celebrating, staying up till 12. Yeah. I'll see you guys in the coming year. Wait, what? I'm not. No. See you tomorrow, probably. Bye.